let me tell you, before you are chacharach, let me tell you, this is a building of a revolutionary party. And you know nothing about the revolution.
So they're not welcome in Samson, but you are?
Yeah, you behave or else you jump. Yeah, you don't laugh.
Joke.
Chief, can you get security to remove this thing? If you're not going to behave, you're going to call security to take you out. This is not a newsroom, this is a revolutionary house. And you don't come here with that 10 days. Your comrades, Mr. President, do not read. The reality is that they don't read. They read True Love magazine and Drum. When it comes to political literature, when it comes to reading the rules, they do not read. That's why someone stood up here and said, House of Rules. It's not House of Rules. It's rules of the house. They do not read.
Zuma number 1. Twarantsotsi ela teleko barke Ramaphosa wa obefo. Lena again.
Say because Twitter streets can be very rough. And if you are weak, stay out of tweet. Just delete your account. That's what we have accepted. We get called names all the time because we know we're in wrong streets. Twitter streets are extremely rough, and journalists must not be crybabies. They must come to accept that there are no ethics or code of conduct for Twitter users. We call upon South Africans not to allow any visitor. No boyfriend, no girlfriend. Because you don't know where your boyfriend has been, you don't know where your girlfriend has been. Only us, the married ones, who are safe. Because we know about each other's whereabouts. The rest, stay at home. No Mujolo. Mujolo is suspended until after Corona. Because we don't know where you have been. No way, Ace. I will tell that white guy, Kalniaus, to keep quiet. Because it's not helping him at all. Kalniaus are the people you tell, or you must stop calling me. That type of a person who just messes up your political programs and wake up in the morning and say, Makashule for president, and there is no even coordination. Which revolution is going to be led by such a questionable character like Kalniaus? Elections of leadership, if you've got a particular program you're advancing, should be led by people with credibility. Not a person who has buried his mother 5 times and asked for money from people, and then he comes from the grave and come and run your campaign straight from the grave. Who can't have that type of a person next to your name? So, Cyril, 2-0. He finished them. Finished them with PP, Public Protector, there in Parliament. Ace was screaming like a chicken, speaking outside the collective. Hi. And then this weekend again, Cyril. So Cyril's people are coordinated. They are running a ship. And these ones are clownish. And they think you can take a state president, a sitting head of state head on, without being properly organized and without having a leader of your own campaign, if you have a campaign. They are clownish. They must go back to the drawing board. Otherwise, Cyril is going to get rid of all of them. And there is no space here in the EFF for crooks. No membership is open for RET for ZZ. And have tea with Mcholos, the former president. Whether somebody likes it or not is their own problem. When I go to meet Zuma, the Tumamina Media Group says Malema is planning a fight back with Zuma against Ramaphosa. But when the top 6 goes and meet Zuma, they are not planning a fight back against Ramaphosa. The hypocrisy of this country will never get to me. I know you. Same thing is done. I open the doors. They are all scared to go and meet Zuma and tell him what we want to tell him on his face in a very charged meeting for 3 hours, where you could touch tensions with your hand. We tell each other our issues like that. They are all scared to do that.
One favor, Julius, and please, when you become president and you chase us poor white people into the sea, can we do it at the south coast? The water is warmer.
There is no white person who's going to the sea. South Africa will be a boring country without white people, because
thank you.
We are Nelson Mandela's children. And we learn from Nelson Mandela's teachings that South Africa belongs to all who live in it, black and white, as captured by the Freedom Charter. So we are now dating each other. We're now dancing together. We're doing business together. We are worshipping together. And imagine if I was to take her and push her out of the country through the sea, and she's dating my brother. She's not going to fight with me. My brother, a black brother, is going to fight with me that you are driving my girlfriend to the sea. We're not going to be guided by Twitter.
Are you planning to leave now?
We're leaving now. Yes.
How can South Africans take you seriously, Mr. Malema? Just a few years ago, you were on a podium defending Pravin Gordhan against the former President Jacob Zuma. Yet you flip-flopped now and you are against him and wanting him to be removed. How can they take you seriously? You have no particular position on him and flip-flop from time to time.
If we had enough time, I would have asked you to define flip-flopping, because you might have stole the concept from another journalist without understanding what is flip-flopping. When we were defending Pravin, there was no load shedding. He was not a Minister of Public Enterprise. SAA was not closing down under him. ESCOM was not closing down under him. The political climate and the balance of forces have changed. They don't remain static. And for a political journalist, you ought to know that these things are not permanent. At the time Zuma wanted to persecute Pravin, we defended Pravin for principle. But now Pravin is presiding over a public enterprise. The conditions are different. If you were saying to me, you defended Pravin even when there was load shedding, why do you use load shedding now? Then I will understand. Therefore, flip-flopping, let's find a proper definition for it. I'll buy you a dictionary. Are we done? When the farmers beat you up, you start asking for the address of the EFF. When your bosses don't pay you, you ask for EFF address. When the councillors steal from you, you ask for the EFF. When there is no service delivery in the hospitals, you ask for the EFF. But when the time comes for you to vote, hi, Sambane Congolos. Moruti, what have we done to these people? What sin have we committed? Are we a cursed nation as black people? What crime have we committed? They are the ones who killed our people. They are the ones who committed black genocide. We never committed white genocide. Yet we are the most hated people. Why? What have we done to these people? People have gone crazy about this alcohol thing. Hey, I don't know. So
we will peacefully ask you to please leave the chamber.
Yes, I'm going to do exactly that. All I'm saying is that you are so prepared to chase people who violate the rules and keep a man who violate the Constitution.
Honorable Malema,
you are prepared to chase out
Honorable
people
Malema,
who are protecting the Constitution in the name of the rules.
Leave the
if
chamber.
There is anyone who must leave,
Honorable Malema, leave the chamber.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm elected here.
We will assist you to go.
Wait.
We will assist you to go.
Wait.
Because one thing
we would like you to assist us.
That's exactly what made you not to be a candidate of the Women's League. Exactly that. Your conduct has failed you to be a candidate for president. Because you are irrational, you are impatient, you are partisan. Even your own people have dumped you. After they told you you are their candidate, you went home to do umcimbi, telling ancestors you are going to be a president. After that, they dumped you because of this conduct.
Yeah.
Exactly this conduct. How do you chase us for breaking the rules and you are not chasing a man who has broken his oath of office, his constitution? We are abused by Zuma here.
We are not going to allow
abused
you
by Zuma.
to abuse us the whole night.
No, we are abused by Zuma. You are scared of Zuma. He used you, he dumped you. He used you and promised you that you are going to be a president. And you went home, you slaughtered a cow, he dumped you. He dumped you. We are abused by Zuma here.
Honorable Malema,
you can do anything.
Honorable Malema,
if you want to kill us now.
May I
you can call soldiers to come and kill us now.
At arms to please escort Honorable Malema
soldiers
out
to come
of
and
the
kill
house.
us now. Speaker. We are not going to be addressed by criminals. Go and address prisoners, not members of parliament.
Back to me, London.